Sam, where are you? I've got an awesome craft idea. Sam, where'd you go?
Pokemon battle! Pikachu, I choose you!
Oh! Sam! Whoa, you are something. Phew, I laughed my socks off. Sam, let's make a real Pikachu.
Wow, okay. What?
Anything. Even this sock will do.
A sock? Don't be ridiculous.
You don't trust me? It will be the best Pokemon you've ever seen in your slime life. Let's go to the table. So we take this sock. Actually, it's my sock.
Sure it is, since I'm not wearing any. Besides, we still didn't say hi to our viewers. Hi, guys.
Hi, everyone. Gee, I'm gonna go broke buying socks for your games. Let's fill the sock with Scintipon.
So it is puffy and cute.
All right, you are. Now we need to cut off the extra part.
Be careful and don't cut too much, both the sock and yourself.
I'll try, Sammy. Thanks for being so caring. Now, we need to strap this part with a thread. I'll show you how to do it.
Is there any special technique?
It's not that special, but yes. Besides, you have to be careful with the needle not to prick yourself.
Oh, and I was wondering how they make toys without any visible stitches. It's so awesome, Sue.
Thanks, Sam. You're overpraising me today.
And what are you gonna do now?
I would call this a neck.
I don't really get it.
What exactly? The upper part will be the head. And the lower part the body. Easy peasy. So bring me what we cut off this sock and the second one from the pair.
Will do. Done.
Oh, my dearest socks, I'll miss you so much. Oh.
Sue, what are you mumbling there?
Nothing, Sam. So his feet will be 2 fingers large, like this.
I thought you were crying.
It's your imagination. The front paws will be bigger. We make them 3 fingers large. By the way, Sam, be so kind and cut out ears and a tail for Pikachu from cardboard.
They can look any way I want.
Not really. They have to be the same as Pikachu's.
Maybe these will serve.
Quite. I already see he's going to be so cute.
Like me.
Maybe even cuter. You saw this Pokemon's face, right?
Guys, which Pokemon is the cutest in your opinion? Comment below.
And subscribe to our channel as well. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la.
Sue, I want to sew a little too. Can I?
Oh, okay. You can sew on the other sock. Make the stitches according to the lines.
Sure, I will do my best.
Once you finish sewing along the lines, cut the thread, and then the sock. Cut a little further than the actual stitch. This way.
Aha, Mr. Needle, you won't prick me. I learned from Master Sue.
Thanks for the compliment.
It's a fact, not a compliment. Sue, can I take your scissors? I decided to cut all the parts as well.
Of course. And I will fill the hind legs with our material. They're going to be so soft. Here goes the second leg. All right. Let's fill it with Scintipon as well. All right, done. Sam, how's it going?
I finished here too. Here, take it.
Awesome, Sammy. You did great.
Of course, I did my best. Guys, you don't want to miss another video where I show my crafting skills. Hit the bell button.
Sam, you are a craft master, but modesty is not your strong suit. While Sam kept boasting, I made these eyes, nose, and cheeks of felt.
Oh, he'll be such a cutie.
Check out what it'll actually look like.
Awesome. Wait, why does Pikachu have no mouth? How is he gonna say Pika Pika?
Don't rush. First, we need to mark the spot for his mouth with a marker. Carefully. And stitch it with a thread for embroidering. See?
Sue, your stitches look so cool. Where did you learn that?
You really want to learn everything. I could have read it in a book or in a dream, or maybe my mom taught me.
Oh, I want to learn too.
Then watch and learn. Hop. Now we just need to glue all the face parts. This way.
is easy. So what should I do?
You can cut out the filler for the tail from Foameran. And we'll also need some felt strips for the back. Can you do it?
Sure.
I can't speak for you guys, but sewing calms me down somehow, and it also makes me sing. Pika Pika! The paws are sewed the same way as the ears. Oh, let's speed up the process a little. And up! The hind legs need to be sewed up so the filler is not seen.
Done! It took me a while. I had to remake the stripes.
No worries. The main thing is that you managed in the end. Time to fill Pikachu's tail with Foameran.
That's what you needed them for.
Yep, by the way guys, you have to be careful not to rip the parts. You better ask an adult to help you.
And subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to give a thumbs up.
And now let's get to the tail. While stitching the tail, make sure you put the needle through the Foameran as well.
You are doing great. It's such a waste of talent. We urgently need to think about opening our own clothing business.
Thanks, Sammy. I'm pretty sure in the future we'll do something like that. It's time to decorate our Pokémon. We glue the stripes to his back.
Don't rush. You should glue the stripes nicely.
But the cuteness of our Pikachu can't be ruined anyways. Guys, apply a little glue on each stripe not to make things dirty. Here we go. You still have some extra fabric on the edges. Don't hesitate to cut it off.
I'm sure our viewers have a good intuition and can do everything perfectly on the first try.
Then let's check it. Guys, write in the comments how often you do things on the first try. Sam, don't you think that something's missing?
Oh, the ears! Sue!
What's wrong with his ears?
The edges should be black, remember?
Oh, right. We'll fix it now. Oh, how could I forget about that? Here we go.
It's okay. We all forget things sometimes. In order to remember everything, one can use reminders. For example, there's a nice bell to remind you about new videos on our channel. Hit it to stay informed of new craft videos.
Done. Check out this cutie we got.
Oh, yeah!
Who's this pretty Pokemon here?
Pika Pika!
Right!
Sue, Pikachu's missing! Have you seen him?
Nope.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Oh, well, I'll keep looking.
Hi, my precious.
Aha! Gotcha! Come on, give me my Pokemon back!
But Sam, can I play a little more?
No, we still have much training to do to prepare a real Pokemon champion!
Sammy! In the end, those were my socks.
Well, actually, you can help me with training sessions. 2 coaches are better than 1. Let's say bye to the viewers and go train!
Bye, guys. Pikachu, sweetheart, ready for training?
Bye, everyone. Subscribe to our channel, give a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the bell.